Okay, so question 41, the diagram below shows the system that is used to unlock a door. Alright, so you can see that there's a switch here that if you connect it, right, if you connect it, it closes the circuit. Once electricity flows through the coil, iron rod A will get magnetized, and when A is magnetized, it will pull this iron rod back to to the magnet lah. So this iron rod, right, will be pulled to the magnet like that, and then you can open the door, right? Okay, but before that happens, it closes the door. You can't swing the door open. Okay, so explain how the door is unlocked when the switch C is closed. So when switch C is closed, how does it unlock the door? So like I've explained just now. Now how do you write it in words? So again, when the switch is closed, right? When the switch is closed, I'm just wondering why it's a bolt. Let's unbolt it. When the switch is closed, electricity, right? Electricity will flow through the circuit, right? Flow through the circuit, and iron rod A will become an electromagnet, okay, which will attract, or if I were you, I'll just put a full stop here, right? The electromagnet will attract iron rod B, thus hence unlocking the door. Okay, so that's a possible answer. All right, now my answer is a little bit bigger because I use a bigger font. But if you use if you write the same size as this, then it would be 2 marks. 2 lines. Okay, so that's a first answer. So you get 2 marks. So where is the, again, let's check CCR. All right. So explain how the door is unlocked when switch C is closed. So this is the claim lah. The door is unlocked when switch C is closed. So you do not have to write the claim anymore because it's already in the question. Okay, so what is the evidence when the switch is closed, right? So this is your evidence. Okay, because you are showing the marker, the teacher who marks that you know the science concept behind it. So what, right? So you have to apply it to the question. So the electromagnet, after this happens, the electromagnet will attract. So this is your reason, right? Now, so where is the compare? The compare is electricity will flow, so there's a present and an absent lah. So okay, so this is a present or an absent, right? And iron rod will become a magnet. So this is your compare before and after. Alright, so electricity will flow. Okay, if you don't understand about the comparison in this question, just remember before that there was no current flowing, and then after that, so you are talking about before and after. Okay, next one. So just 2 ways that the door can be unlocked faster. So 2 ways that the electromagnet can be stronger, right? So that's the whole idea of the question. 2 ways that the electromagnet can be stronger, right? So the first one is by increasing the batteries, right? You know that the more batteries we use, the stronger the electromagnet is. Okay, increasing the number of batteries. That's increasing the number of batteries. You can also say the second way is to put more coils around iron rod A. Because we know the two things that affect the strength of a magnet is the number of batteries as well as the number of coils. Okay, Last one, explain what will happen if rod B is made of copper. If rod B is made of copper, the door will not be locked, right? Sorry, the door will be unlocked. Sorry, will not be unlocked. Will not be unlocked, or the door will be locked, right? Because copper, okay, that's your claim, so it's your evidence. Copper is not a magnetic material. Okay, so what? So copper will not be attracted to the electromagnet. Okay, so that's your answer. Alright, so you can see the claim is here. Okay, this is your claim. Then you have your evidence. Okay, you know that this is the, okay, then this is your reason. Here. Alright, so what is the compare then? The compare is whether it's yes or no, right? Whether it will or will not. Alright, so that's the answer for this question. It's very easy. Alright, just basic electromagnet, you know, electromagnetism. Okay, and do comment, leave a comment to tell me whether you've understood this or not. Thank you.